Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think Guys channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our question is, what are the different types of arboreal and terrestrial adaptation? Explain with the suitable example. Arboreal adaptation. The primate exhibits varied forms of arboreal adaptation and locomotory variations such as vertical clinging and quadrupedalism and branchiation. Bipedalism is a terrestrial adaptation. Vertical clinging and leaping. It is found in tarsier, Tarsie, tarsier, lemurs, and galagos, etc. When animal is on rest, it is clinging to a branch, keeping his body in vertical position. While moving in leaps or jumps, landing on a second branch vertically on the ground, they move by hooping. However, vertical clinging and leaping are dominant locomotions. The tarsal bone of the foot, which is very small in man, is extremely long in tarsiers. The tarsal bone acts as an added spring in them. Long hind limbs give extra edge. Long hind limbs give extra edge. Brachiation. Brachiation in lesser apes. It is an arboreal adaptation. It is a suspensory behavior in which hands and arms are used as many locomotory organs. It is of following types. First is primitive brachiation. Here animals use both hands alternatively and turn 180 while moving through a branch. Second, true brachiation. In this case, there is a flight in the air. Animal jumps from a branch to another branch of a tree. In such cases, both hands are used. Quadrupedalism. It is shown by monkey and ape when moving on ground and on branches of trees. Monkey. Arboreal and terrestrial quadrupedalism. It has been possible due to following reasons. First, small to moderate size of body. Big toes is prehensile and set a great angle than that of prosimians. Third is both the thumbs and big toes diverge from the rest of the fingers. Thus, both hands and legs of monkey are prehensile. This makes monkey agile on the trees. Apes. Apes are terrestrial quadrupedalism, palm and fist walking in orangutan, which is done on land, and knuckle walking, KNUCKLE, knuckle walking, found in chimpanzees and gorilla. In this case, fingers bend and knuckle touches the ground. Bipedalism. Primates show varied forms of locomotion, out of which bipedalism is most important, which is found exclusively in humans, and it is an adaptation for terrestrial life. It evolved as an adaptation to terrestrial life due to drought in Miocene period. Several biological changes in skull and skeleton have occurred to achieve bipedalism. Bipedalism gave rise to culture in human beings which distinguishes it from other primates. Modification for adaptation. First is flexible skeleton, gives wide range of locomotive patterns both on trees and grounds. Second is grasping big toe and opposable thumb, important for manipulating objects and gives strength to hold. Third is claws have evolved into nail in most primates. Fourth is tactile pads. Fingers of primates have tactile pads. These pads act as friction pads while walking and offer refined sense of touch and helps to convey information about the environment. Fifth is nose. In terrestrial mammals, olfactory sense plays a crucial role. Smell is relatively unimportant in the trees. Sixth is eyes. On front of face, they provide 3D vision, stereoscopic, mostly encased in bony eye sockets. 3D vision improves accuracy during movements in tree. Thank you very much.